So hello everybody, welcome back to our vids. So it's just a normal day. We're not doing anything special. Guess what? We got the new lenses on the Metas.
Yeah, these are the replacements. I've been testing them out, and actually they're a lot better now. They're not glary, and actually I think they might have sent the wrong ones the first time. Sorry, I didn't get the mics, so hope the wind is not too windy because it is windy.
I mean, if you guys want to hear if you guys want to hear the breeze, then that's good.
Yeah, but they don't want to hear all that breeze. Hopefully, if not, we're gonna have to redo this video.
Yeah.
Because it might be too windy because it is very windy.
Yeah.
So yeah, so far these like I mentioned, I got another post that I tested them out. They actually made a big difference now versus the other ones that we had the first set. So it's super glary. Now it's not so glary, right? Well, you haven't tested these out yet, but I can tell you I tested them out all week. We can test them over there, so that way we can do that. So yeah, we'll go all that to the other spot and then we can test it. What do you think? Do they look any different? No, they look about the same.
Look about the same.
Yeah,
I think they're better because I can't see your eyes.
I think so, huh?
Yeah.
I think these are a little bit different. I think what happened, they didn't send the polarized type or the non-glare ones.
Maybe they sent.
I think they're regular ones. Because
you know what? Maybe the testing ones. They probably just got the testing ones, and they were just like, let's send them out and see how people like them so far. And then you bought them, and you guys thought that it was a normal one, but
could be
actually a testing one, and they were looking for it.
But yeah, you guys can see that.
They returned it. You guys
see how
they found out that.
I like the color a lot.
You guys thought.
What do you think about the color?
I like the color.
Maybe we'll pick up some green ones. I like the green mirrored ones too. So maybe we'll get some of those. We'll pick up a green mirrored. What's that?
Bye.
What? Somebody, whoa.
That was sick.
Yours just falling down, huh?
Oh, sick. Let's keep going.
Yeah. Keep it going.
Let's test the glasses right there.
You want to test them out here? All right, let's switch them out. So, okay, he's going to test them out, and then he's going to give us his opinion. Let's go back this way. So let's see. Make sure you don't drop them. I'll hold these for you. Check it out. Oh yeah, it looks sick.
Oh, I hear music.
You hear the music? Yeah, so the music's playing. Yeah.
So, I like it so far.
So it's not so glary, huh?
No.
Remember the other ones, how glary the other ones were?
Yeah, it looked like it was all foggy, like it was the
yeah,
middle of the night.
that was the word, yeah, because that's how I saw it too, like it was foggy.
Yeah, like it was kind of like my eyes were watering.
Yeah. So yeah, these are, I think.
Wait, hold on. Oh. Hey, Meta. What's the weather in Hime right now?
What did it say?
It said today's partly cloudy.
Which it is, as you guys can see, it's partly cloudy. It's actually kind of humid too, so it's not as hot, but it's just humid.
There you go. It's still talking. So.
All right. So I'll trade you here real quick. Put these back on.
Ow!
Oop. You got it? Let me help you out. All right. So yeah, we got a thumbs up on these new lens replacements, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we got good thumbs up on this one. So we'll leave the link below if you guys want to check them out. They have different colors, different styles of regular ones, polarized ones, polarized with anti-glare as well. So yeah, hope you guys got any questions. Again, always leave them below. All right, so we'll do some more testing. It's kind of sort of cloudy, but sun's coming in and out. This is the replacement lenses. It seems like it has a little bit less glare I can still see, even though like I'm looking this way, the sun's to my left over here. Let me stop my music here. Playing some music there, but yeah, I can see glare right here. When was music doesn't want to stop it. Let's stop it there. But yeah, I can see a little bit of glare, especially like right here. It looks like a little line coming out right here as I'm looking this way. And as I'm looking this way, everything looks clear and everything. But I just seem to see like, actually, these are a lot less than the previous set they sent me over. These are the Oakleys. Um, let me see what if I get any kind of glare similar to that. Actually, you know what? This one also is giving me some glare. So actually, that these are actually good in that sense. Then it is a good quality lens. But the first set they sent over, they do have different versions. They have like the regular polarized, and then I think they have the anti-glare one. Maybe they sent the wrong lenses the first time, but these are supposed to be the with all the anti-glare polarized lenses. So maybe they did send the wrong one, but now I can see this one also being the Oakley. Yeah, yeah, right there. Like as I'm looking at this tree right here, the sun's this way up here, and now that I got plainly sun coming in, I can see same thing. Sort of like this glare inside the lens. Let me see. Actually, I have less glare on this one in the Oakley version. So yeah, yeah. If you actually, these are really good lenses. So again, this is just a recap from the previous email. They did send a new set of lenses to, so I'm testing these out, and actually these are actually good. So maybe again, maybe the first set was sent over without the glare. Maybe it was just the standard ones because there's no way, there's no markings or anything on these that show, like let's say if they have polarized. Normally, like Oakley will have, I don't know that video can catch that down here, but right here it's got Prism P for polarized. So yeah, I can see this one actually has quite a bit right here in the lens. It's just just kind of glary. And when I put this set on, looking here, I do see a little bit of glare here and tad a little bit here, but actually the straight on is very, very clear compared to the Oakley. So yeah, if you guys were interested in picking up a set, these are the Apex lenses. These are for the um, Oakley Heiston HSTN Meta glasses. These are actually smaller than the actual Hastings that the Oakley has, but so you can use interchange them. And right now, currently, Oakley does not have any extra lenses available. So hopefully soon, I did talk to the Oakley rep, and they said that hopefully by the end of this month, October of 2025, they will have some. They'll have the dark black one, and then the blue one, which is the I forget the name, but I'll put it here in the video here. So yeah, once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Give us a thumbs up, and if you can subscribe to us, it really, really will appreciate it. It helps our channel. Thanks for watching.